Today we have an internship opportunity from Johnson Controls and the job location is Pune. And if you scroll down, you can look at the key responsibilities here. Here you should collaborate with the cross-functional teams to design, develop and maintain software application. Then you need to write a clean, efficient and well-documented code in .NET, C Sharp and .NET Core. You should develop and maintain a user interfaces using Angular, and then you need to utilize the Azure for cloud based application development and deployment. And you need to identify, troubleshoot and debug the issues to ensure a high quality deliverables. And you need to participate in agile and safe ceremonies to contributing in the sprint planning, reviews and retro perspectives. And you should continuously learn and adapt to the new tools, technologies and best practices. And then you should apply a strong problem solving skills to deliver innovative and effective solutions. Then here are the qualification and skill that is required for you to apply for this role. You need to have a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology and also such as BE, B.Tech, MCA or a related field. And then you need to have a knowledge of .NET, C Sharp, NetCore, Angular and Azure, and it is essential. Then you should be familiar with the agile and safe frameworks and it is a plus. Then you should have a strong troubleshooting and debugging skills and also excellent problem solving ability with a proactive and dynamic approach. You should have a passion for learning and growing in a fast paced environment. That's the end of this role. And if you have any other doubts, please let us know in the comment section. And also, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it to your friends.